Hello, students. Good evening. So, here I am discussing irregular forms of plural noun. This is very important topic for exam point of view and for writing skills to improve your writing skills. That's very important. So, let us discuss irregular forms of plural nouns are nouns that don't follow the standard rule of adding s or es to the singular form to make them plural. So we all know that very common rule for plural noun is s or es. We usually add s in the singular noun, so it becomes plural. Boy, boys, girl, girls, table, tables, right? Horse, horses, like this, right? But some nouns have irregular plural form, which we are going to discuss here. Instead, they change their spelling in various ways. So important thing is that here for plural noun, spelling change, right? Spelling will change. So we'll see what are they. Vowel change. First type, like how plural becomes, so that's a vowel change. So some of the nouns where vowel changes in plural, not s but vowel. These nouns form the plural by changing one or more vowel, right? How? Like man or man. Sound is same. Here in case of man, telling you. That's in case of man, but sound is here. That's a change. No change in sound. It's man. It's men. Man. Sound is same. But woman and women. That is women. We men. Women. Right? Women. Okay. Then foot and feet. Right? So here foot double O double E. Same with tooth or teeth. Then goose and geese. So uh, we can generalize the rule that's a double O becomes double E. Then mouse, very irregular form of mouse, that is mouse and mice. Then louse and lice. So OUSE becomes CE. OUSE becomes CE. However, it is happening with two words only, but then we can conclude for remember, we can remember this way. So here we have seen that's a man, men, woman, women, foot, feet, tooth, teeth, goose, geese, mouse, mice, louse, lice. Now, second rule is that is text en and text ren, means see, three words are there where we will see like child, children, ox, oxen, right, and brother, then brethren. However, it's rare, that is why you feel something awkward, but that's a brethren, right? So these forms we have already learned in our school days, but still you just remember this is very important because very less discussed were brother, brethren, right? Okay. Now third rule is no change, zero plural, which is called zero plural because some of the nouns form does not change. Some nouns have the same form for both, right? Same form for both, same form for both regular, singular and plural. Context usually determines whether noun is singular or plural. So it will be judged by the context. Now, sheep, zero plural, right? So no change. Sheep, deer, fish, series, species, and aircraft, right? So I think this is these also these words also you must have learned in your school days. Now fourth rule is nouns ending in s. This is very important, right? Cactus, cacti, fungus, fungi, right? Here, cactus, cacti, us ends with us become I. Sorry, ends with that's a us I, fungus, right? All us becomes I. How? Cactus, cacti, us will be replaced by I. Cactus, cacti, fungus, fungi, nucleus, nuclei, syllabus, syllabi. Now next rule, noun ending in is, right? So what's the is becomes es. This is rule, right? Is become es. That's a es, right? How? See, analysis, analysis, thesis, thesis, crisis, crisis, and basis, basis, right? So these are the fifth rule. Is become is become es, means I is replaced by e. Na analysis, thesis, crisis, and basis. So this is next. Then next sixth one is that is very different. Nouns ending in becomes a. Ending in a becomes e. How? Let's see. Datum, data, means becomes a. Then medium, media. Curriculum, curricula. Now these three, formula, formulae, right? Alumina, alumni, alumnus, alumni, right? And then last is that is changes. You just have to remember on a. Phenomenon, phenomena, criterion, criteria. That's a very interesting and very important part we have covered here. That's the irregular forms of plural. Okay. So thank you so much. You can contact anytime. Write your comments on comment box. Thank you so much. God bless you.